So today, oh my god. So y'all, excuse the mess. I have an eyeshadow stain right here. Like, I had swatches on my finger, and when I guess I was getting ready, I got the stain up here. So please, let me apologize. I'm starting out this Fab October, fall Fab October a little bit crazy. But see, my earrings falling out. Like, it's one of those kind of days. But I'm starting, and I'm going to continue my best to do this anyway. Please, above hand, forgive any mishaps. Anything I can edit out, I will try to edit out. And I might just keep in some of the stuff for fun. You never know. But we're going to get started. So this first fall Fab or Fab Fall, whatever I name it, you will see the title down in the description. This first for the series, for the Fab Fall series, is going to be fall fashion trends. So I'm going to talk to you guys about the trends or the styles that are going to be trending this fall. So far that I've done the research off of, I picked the most wearable trends. My video is not going to be like a lot of videos, like a lot of the Fab Fall trend videos, or just like sometimes some of the things that you can't wear, but I picked the most wearable ones. So I'm not going to talk too much. We're just going to jump right into it. Hopefully my earring does not fall off again. The back must have fallen off somewhere. God knows where that is. I don't have time to try to find it. So let's get started. So there's lots and lots of fall trends this fall. But again, we're talking about the wearable one. So the first one I want to start out with is like this couture type sleeve trend, or this like balloon wide sleeve trend. This actually is not that new. Again, fashion is just repeats itself, but it came back this year, I guess. So just like wearing sleeves that have like lots of detailing, lots of ruffles, the ruffles and ruffled balloon sleeves and ruffle trend is back in. So this is I bought this like 2 years ago, so I guess I can pull it back out because I only wore it once. But things like this are back in. So like this would be perfect to wear. You can wear with like wide leg pants. I probably wouldn't wear this with wide leg pants for the simple fact that I'm going to actually turn this way. For the simple fact that it's already got this going on. So the more simple with these tops, the better, because the tops are already big enough. So I guess like jeans or like skinny jeans, I would probably wear skinny jeans with this. Skinny jeans, form-fitted pants, even pencil skirts. I love pencil skirts. Midriff skirts, pencil skirts, even the flowy skirts, or a print skirt, because prints are in, as you will see as I go on with this video. So anything that's simplified, because you want to bring the focal point on the top, because this is supposed to be the statement of the outfit or the piece that you're wearing. So yeah, so these are back in, and I'm going to show you guys another example of that top. Let me put this over here. Here's another example of that top. This is like a cropped version of that top. But again, you're going to see it's still the same thing. And again, I got this like a year ago. So like anything with ruffles, even at the top, even at your neckline, not necessarily your sleeves. I don't really want that much stuff going on with my neck though, unless it's a turtleneck. I don't want a bunch of ruffles on my neck. But for these tops, again, I would wear like a pencil skirt with this, because again, it's cropped, so I would wear something that comes all the way up, or high-waisted skinny jeans, boots of course, or heels, depending on what like type of look I'm going for. So yeah, those tops are back in. Another look that's back in, since we're talking about ruffles and flare, are back in the day they called like the 70s pants, like the hip huggers. They call them flares, where your pants are tight at the top and they go out at the bottom. But I don't have pants like that, and honestly, I wouldn't want to wear anything like that. I think that's just too much flareness going on, and too much going right to the 70s. But that's back in. So if you have any flares or bell bottoms, pull those joints out, and you will be like right on trend. So I'm gonna put that to the back. The next thing we're gonna talk about is leather, faux leather, pleather, whatever you want to call it. Again, I haven't even worn these yet, and I got these like a year ago from Fashion Nova, as you can see. Like, these are in, I actually might sell these. I might put these on eBay or one of my Poshmarks or something and sell them, because I don't know if I'm gonna wear this year. But if I decide to, I have them. So anything faux leather is in. Faux leather skirts, faux leather jackets. Obviously, you can wear boots with them. Crop faux leather jackets are in. The crop jacket is coming back, just to let you know. I love the oversized jacket trend, and I'm still going to be wearing my oversized jacket. But the cropness is back in when it comes to jackets and tops and things like that. And again, if you can find it in faux, that's even better. I wouldn't wear faux leather or leather all straight down, meaning like matching leather. I would just put in like faux leather pieces. Like, obviously, if I wore this, I would probably wear like an opposite top, like a satin top or a cashmere top, or something that's like sparkly. That would be good to wear with this. Obviously, with heels or something like that. A blouse would be good to wear with this, like a white blouse or cream. White, I love white. And since we're on white, let me get into that right quick, then I'll get back to the subject. But white is not really trendy. Crisp white is not really trendy to wear in the fall. More like creams and beiges and ivories are good to wear because it is more warm. And fall is about warmth and those type of things. So that's just a side note. Like, if you like white like I do, because I love white, and I'm still going to wear it every now and then, probably more towards the winter. But in the fall and somewhat in the winter, I'm going to stick more toward ivories and creams and beiges since, you know, I wear white like crazy in the spring and summer. So yeah, but that's just like a side tip if you love white. But yeah, but this will be good. Faux leather is trending. You can wear it with anything. Again, not just leather everywhere. Just like piece in leather. Leather jacket, faux leather purse, faux leather boots. Just like throw hints of it into your pieces this fall. So next, I'm going to talk about patterns. I'm not really a pattern girl, but pastels with dark colors are in, or it's called the Victorian look. So if you're into like the Victorian look is also with the ruffles and stuff too, but as far as like patterns like this, pastel flowers and things with like dark colors such as emerald green and deep burgundies and reds are in. So if you can find anything with like light pastel flowers everywhere as the pop outs, but then your main backing is like a deep majestic color, you will be highly on trend if you care about that. I like this jacket. It's like a kind of a suede type jacket. I've had this jacket for a couple years, so I'm gonna pop it back out. I would wear this with a choker, some skinny jeans. I would wear a shirt under this, but I also have like worn this and zipped it halfway up and just like layered a whole bunch of necklaces and wore it with some jeans and some boots, and it was super, super cute. Like, that's a super cute outfit because, again, it can double as just a throw over jacket or just like a main top, and you can just like layer jewelry pieces and stuff under it to like pop out your chest area. And this is just super pretty. I forgot where I got this from. I think it was like $10 mall or something like that. But I love this. Love this. Again, it's like suede. So it's like really It's really gorgeous and it looks really classy. I like classic chic pieces, and this is one of those pieces like you can wear like with a bunch of stuff. Stylish, obviously. I mean, if you want to mix and match your patterns, that's fine, but I'm not really a pattern girl, so if I do throw in a pattern, I'm having on a bunch of solids or just mainly solids and just one main piece like this to help kind of highlight the whole look. So that's that. Another look that's in this year is lace. Lace is everywhere. Lace pants, see-through, satin, sheer, mesh. That's in like crazy. This is my trusty. I love this top. I always wear it every year. And it's very daring, and I like to be daring sometimes. But like tops like this, sheer tops that you can look through and see. Lace top, lace gloves, lace blazers. Obviously, I probably wouldn't wear a whole lace outfit, but lace is in this year. Any color, but the most popular I would say is black. So lace and lace florals, like this is lace, but it's got like some flower prints in it. So that's super, super popular in high fashion and just in regular fashion. So if you're a lace lover or you want to try something different but be on trend, try to purchase some lace pieces. Okay, another thing that's popular this year, and it's not necessarily this style, I just had to pick the sweater, is vibrant, vivid sweaters. Just like a lot of people like neutrals and browns and beiges and those type of colors, but hot pinks, yellows, rose, like bright colors, but in a sweater form is popular this year. Wearing these with like floral skirts or big floral skirts was really not my style, but if you like that style, that's in. So if you buy one of these bad boys, you buy it in a bright color and just buy like a floral skirt, that's super on trend, and some boots, that would be super on trend. I particularly love this sweater because like it has like the twisted knot out back, so your back is exposed right here and right here, and I typically wear it hanging off of my shoulders. I wore this like the other day. So yeah, vibrant colors. Be vibrant this year. If you're into like being bold and vibrant, the sweaters in these colors are definitely on trend. So the last piece, this is an outerwear, are trench coats. I don't think these ever go out of style. This is like a highly, every year I feel like this is trending. I feel like if you have these coats, you're not off style or you're not gonna be off trend. It's just like a classic piece that's always kind of in style and in trend. But these particular coats, trench coats, specifically the ones that tie up, not so much the ones that are double-breasted or buttoned, particularly the ones that tie up, are super duper duper on trend. Like they were all over the runway. Fashion Week was just a couple weeks ago, so technically this video should have been out during that week, but I was so busy, so I apologize that this video is late. But hopefully you still like and support and watch the video and share it. Please do that if you are enjoying so far. But these are super on trend, specifically in the colors cognac, rustic cognac, bronzy colors. Like those colors were all over the runway. Those colors in this style of coat is super on trend. So if you want to be on trend with your outerwear with wearing that, or if you just want to try something different, that's something good to try. So I'm going to grab some boots right quick, because I had to include some type of shoes. Before I talk about these, I want to talk about another boot that's super on trend. And if I can get a picture, I will insert a picture here or at some point around here of these boots. So like the cowboy boots and the ankle satin boots are super in. They were all over the runway, as well as just regular fashion and regular stores. They were in those stores as well as these boots. Like these boots were super popular like a year ago, and I didn't think they would still be popular this year, but when I was in the stores I saw these boots a lot. So like the sock pointy toe boot is still in, y'all. Like, I saw it on the runway a little bit, not as much as the cowboy boots and like the satin pointy toe boots, but these, the sock boots, they were all in the stores, and I saw a little bit on the runway. But these are super cute. Like, I've had these like a year or so. These are super cute to wear with skirts, blazer dresses, jeans if you want, but I would do like the crop, like the jeans that are kind of crop knot, or the tight fitted jeans, or even like baggy sweatpants. I will wear these with as well. These are super cute and they're super on trend. So those are the boots and those are the shoes that are on trend. I didn't do purses and handbags because the handbags that are on trend are not my cup of tea so much. They're the micro bags or the small mini bags. I'm not really into them. But purse wise, that's what's on trend. Y'all know I love super big. I'm still old school. I guess you could call that out of trend, out of style. But I still love my big bags and my big purses. So that's why I don't have any purses. Less is pretty much more with jewelry this year. A lot of people are just wearing like one big statement piece. Another thing that's trendy is not wearing earrings, just wearing like a huge necklace statement piece or bracelets everywhere and no earrings. Like, as far as makeup, the stuff that's on trend with makeup, less is more. I'm seeing that a lot. Like, if you do just like a lot of stuff with your eyes and keep everything simple, or if you just do like the no makeup look, those type of are the things that are trending as far as makeup. So lashes, all big lashes and stuff like that. I mean, if you like, I mean, I always say do what you want to do. Don't follow a trend. But if you do want to like pull from different trends, there's nothing wrong with that, and making it your own or adding it to your own style, there's nothing wrong with that. So basically, like the whole full, all these lashes and highlighter and stuff everywhere, a lot of the things that are beginning to become, excuse me guys, a little out of breath, a little bit tired, but that are beginning to come like a lot popular as far as makeup is less is more. And I don't think there's nothing wrong with that. I mean, I don't think there's nothing wrong with whatever you want to do. Fashion is about expressing yourself, so do whatever you feel or deem is appropriate and what makes you comfortable and what expresses your own personal style. So that's it for all of these pieces. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure, again, share and like and subscribe if you're not a subscriber. This is the first video for the Fall Fab October. There's going to be lots more videos than usual than what I've been posting than usual. This is my birthday month, and this is the new series, so I'm going to be trying to do this series every year as long as I keep this channel around. Yeah, as long as this channel is around, I'm going to be doing it every October. So, I'll just talk about a couple things that are coming up. Obviously, there's going to be a haul coming up. My birthday's coming up, so I will do a birthday haul this year. Also, I'm going to try to do a vlog, like a fall vlog. That's probably going to be the next video. Just kind of like what I've been, my day, like what's going on through my day. I'm going to do like a fall beauty essentials probably at some point. Maybe like a get ready with me, like a fall look. I have not done that in a while. I need to do that, like do like a makeup look with you guys. So that's just kind of just like a look, excuse me, into kind of what's going. Now, I'm not going to say exactly what the order is again, because obviously that would create boredom. I think it's more good if I just surprise you all and just put what I want. But I'm talking too much. Thanks again for watching. Make sure you subscribe and share again. And like I always said, follow me on my social media. They're always in the description link below. Make sure that if you follow me, let me know that you're a subscriber. Again, I will follow you back. And also, I have all my codes and stuff for things that I'm working with or things you can get a discount on in the description box as well. Thank you guys for watching. Those of you who watch and who like, and I don't get that many comments like that, but those of you who are supportive and that are still subscribers, thanks again. And I will check you guys out and you check me out in my next video. Hope I don't have stuff on my teeth. Love you guys. You guys have a great day.